first I'm going to moisturize my face with this Nivea moisturizer. Today I'm not gonna use any kind of primer because I feel that I have acne prone skin nowadays, so that is why I'm not using any kind of primers nowadays on my skin, because my skin is starting breaking out really badly, so that's the reason. If you are not using any kind of primer for your flawless base, use a very good moisturizer for your skin, because good moisturizers always give you that flawless makeup base and long lasting base and cake free makeup. So that is why I always recommend that. So be sure to apply very good moisturizers to your skin, and the Nivea is one of my favorite moisturizers. So yeah, my skin is prepped now. So now let's move on to the lip balm. For lip balm, I'm going to use this BB lip moisturizer. This is such an amazing lip moisturizer, and this much is left, and I'm quite happy with the progress. I'm going to use this Mars Illuminati base. This is my OG, this is my favorite, so I highly recommend this one. So I'm just gonna use tiny amount of this, and it's done. So you can definitely use this Illuminati base as it is, because it does not have any kind of glitter particles. You can definitely mix this in your moisturizer, in your BB cream, to make it more super duper glowy. So this is my OG and my favorite Illuminati base. I love this one so much. So next I'm gonna use this Inside Cosmetics foundation, and this is in the shade number Golden 1 Honey. So this foundation is my OG and my favorite foundation, and it is also in a budget also. It gives you that flawless makeup, so that is why I highly recommend this foundation. It's amazing. It is so good. I'm gonna use this matte foundation. Okay, so I know that is too much for me, but let's use it. Okay, so I'm just gonna warm it up. So my foundation is done, and next for my concealer, I'm going to use this Inside HD concealer in the shade number LN10. I just love this concealer so much. It does have that big doe foot applicator, and this concealer is good for oily to combination skin, because it does have mattifying consistency. So that is why if you have oily to combination skin, you can definitely check this one. So that's my concealer, and let's blend it out. First I'm gonna start from here. So my concealer and my foundation is done. Next I'm gonna set my face with my OG Oriflame compact powder. So first I have blend everything, and now I'm just gonna set it down. So now let's move on to this side. For the eyeshadows, I'm going to use this Color Broad eyeshadow palette, and in this palette I'm first gonna use a white shade to just set my eyelid. I'm just gonna use this color. To just set my whole eyelid. Now I'm gonna use this purple pan, and from this palette I'm going to use this color, this mauve pinky color. So first I'm gonna use this color on my crease area up to right here. I'm just not gonna push this color over here. I just need my color to be right here only. Okay, just like this. Okay, I don't want to go outer V. I don't want to go end of my eyebrow bone. I just need my color to be right here. So this is my first color, and now I'm gonna use this darkest color over here, and I'm gonna put this color over here on my crease line. Just buff it and clean your brush, just buff it and clean your brush, then you will get a very nice blending like this. Okay, so that is why I always do this technique, like buff it, like with very light hand, buff it and then blend it, buff it and then clean your brush. Now I'm gonna cut my crease, and for my concealer I'm going to use this Mars concealer palette. Up till right here only. So now to set my eyelid, I'm just gonna use my most high coverage compact powder. This is from HR Cosmetics, and you always need to use a very high coverage compact powder because it just gives you that more intense cut crease. Okay, so that is why high coverage compact powder is always better for full cut crease, and whatever you want to use, just set it with your high coverage compact powder. Okay. Now I'm gonna use same palette, and I just need a very shimmery eyeshadow for this cut crease, and I'm gonna use this color. Now I'm gonna take that pink color which we have used on our crease area, taking that same color on my lower lash line. So now for that more high impact pigmentation, I'm gonna use this Glam 21 highlighter, and I'm just gonna use this white portion on my cut crease area. So my eyebrows and my eyeshadows are done. So next I'm gonna use this kajal. This is from the brand Faces Canada, and I'm just gonna use this kajal on my waterline. So I'm just gonna take the black shade. I'm going to smudge it. Okay, so now let's move on to the bronzer part. So for that I'm going to use this again, this Shrek Cosmetics palette. I'm going to use this bronzer. And next for my blush on, I'm going to use this Miss ADS1 blush, and this is the SLQ brush. First, So now I'm gonna use glitters from this palette, and I'm gonna use this blue white glitter. This is the some of light blue glitters, like these glitters I'm gonna use on my eyelid, on over here. So my eyelashes and my glitters are done. I love this makeup look so much. And now for my highlighter, I'm going to use this Mars Be Face bronzer, and I'm gonna mix these two and make my own custom shade. So I'm just gonna pop this, and now I'm just gonna blend everything. For my today's lipstick, I'm gonna use this lipstick. This is the In Color Cosmetics lipstick in the shade number LSCL12, and this is such a dark lip color. And another lip color I'm gonna use, this is from NY Bay, and this is in the shade number Hugs and Mugs 12. First I'm gonna use this color because I need that dark lip color with this eye. So that's my outer lip. So now for my lip gloss, I'm going to use the Mars Cosmetics lip gloss. So yeah, this is the final finished look. I hope ये वीडियो आप सबको अच्छी लगी हो तो like, subscribe and share to my channel. Let me know into the comment box, did you like this makeup look, and let me know if you want me to create a lot of makeup looks, then please keep on watching and let me know into the comment box. This makeup look is stunning, gorgeous as according to me. If you like this, let me know into the comment box. Do check out my more and more makeup looks, okay? So yeah, till then, take care, bye bye.